If your Windows 11 PC feels slow, distracting, or overloaded, these 7 settings are worth checking today. They won't magically transform every computer, but they can help improve startup time, reduce distractions, manage storage, and make Windows feel more responsive. To make this super easy, I'll show you exactly where to find each setting. Let's get started. First, check your startup apps. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Then select Startup Apps from the left menu. Here, you'll see the apps that automatically launch when you start your computer. Disable apps that you don't need immediately, especially those marked with a high startup impact. A quick heads up here. Don't disable important items such as Windows Security, audio drivers, or touchpad software unless you know exactly what they do. Next, reduce unnecessary notifications. Open Settings, select System, and then choose Notifications. Turn off notifications from shopping apps, games, and other apps that you don't need alerts from. This mainly reduces interruptions, but it can also reduce a small amount of unnecessary background activity. The third setting is Storage Sense. Go to Settings, System, Storage, and open Storage Sense. Turn it on, so Windows can automatically remove temporary files and manage storage when your computer is running low on space. You can also select Run Storage Sense now to clean temporary files immediately. This is a really important step. Review the Storage Sense options carefully and avoid automatically deleting files from your Downloads folder unless you are completely sure. Now let's check Background App Permissions. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Select the 3 dots beside an app. Choose Advanced Options and look for Background App Permissions. If this option is available, choose Never for apps that don't need to run in the background. Not every app will show this setting, so simply skip it when it isn't available. The 5th setting controls visual effects. Search Windows for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Open the result. Select Adjust for best performance and click Apply. This reduces animations and visual effects. Windows may look a little less polished, but older computers can feel more responsive. Next, adjust your power mode. Open Settings, System, Power, and Battery, and find Power Mode. When your laptop is connected to power and you need maximum performance, choose Best Performance. Keep in mind that this can use more electricity, drain your battery faster, and make the computer run warmer. For everyday battery use, balanced is usually the better option. Finally, set your Windows active hours. Go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, and open Active Hours. Choose Automatically Adjust Active Hours, or set the hours when you normally use your computer. This helps prevent Windows from restarting at an inconvenient time after an update. And if you want more useful free software, watch my next video. These free apps feel illegal to have 100% free. If this guide helped you improve your Windows 11 setup, please hit that like button. It really helps out the channel.